In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Google Calendar to your iCloud calendar. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your iCloud calendar like you normally would. Then what you want to do is you want to select on the calendar that you'd like to share. So in this example, let's share our home calendar. And then you want to press on this profile icon just like so. And you need to double check that it is a public calendar in order for this to work. So go ahead and do it. And then it is going to generate you a link that looks like this. So go ahead and press the copy. Then press on save just like so. Now, what you want to do is you want to open up Google Calendar right over here. Make sure to log into your Google account. Then afterwards, go over here to where it says Other Calendars. Press on this plus button that says Other Calendars. Then select on From URL, paste in the URL, and then you guys have the option if you want to make the calendar publicly accessible. That is up to you, but you just want to go ahead and press on Add Calendar just like so. Then it's going to take a while. Then it is going to fetch all of the events right over here, and then afterwards it is going to be synced together and you will be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.